The critical mission of every child welfare system across the nation is to ensure that children are safe. We will fail as a child welfare system if all we focus on is the physical attributes of being safe.
Safe also correlates with well-being, and well-being is attached to permanency in relationships.
We need relationships and connections. We need people in our life that believe in us.
We really need to focus on how we engage children and youth so that they become the center of all the work that we do.
Authentic child and youth engagement means partnering with children and youth about their lives, on their terms, in ways that make sense to them.
It means giving them a say in what's going to happen to them.
Empowering them to make sure that their voice is heard.
And giving them the information so that they can be a part of that decision.
Talk to them, tell them what's going on. A child knows if you're holding something back.
Checking in with that young person and keeping them at the center of everything we're doing.
It's not just about having young people at the table. It's not even our table, it's really their table.
Building trusting relationships, communicating and listening.
Telling them the truth.
And trying to create as much equity as possible within that relationship.
Because at the end of the day, when child welfare is not there anymore, it's their life. So they need to be part of the process. This is their future.
To transform child welfare systems, the QIC-EY built 5 essential components, linked by one unwavering focus: to authentically engage children and youth, keeping them at the center of our work. A training and coaching model to elevate the child welfare workforce with new skills and a new mindset. Training for courts to give children and youth a voice. A program model to engage children and youth in decision-making. And systemic changes aimed at keeping children and youth at the heart of child welfare. What we learn from pilot sites will shape the future of child welfare nationwide.
This is more than a training.
The QIC-EY is really a paradigm shift.
The shift in the culture of what we do.
Funded by the United States Children's Bureau, the QIC-EY is a unique collaboration. A team of nationally recognized thought leaders in child welfare policy and practice, and a National Advisory Council of young adults with lived expertise to guide the development process.
Incorporating people with lived experience is important because they're going to be able to see something that people who haven't navigated the foster care system can't see.
What we experienced in the system as children and youth, we can't teach you what that feels like, but we can try to express what would have helped us and what we think needs to be changed.
Children are the center of the child welfare system, so we have to listen to them in order to really make change.
When you feel like you're part of the decision making, that's what makes a difference.
What the QIC-EY is adding to our system is another way for our workforce to be supported. And when workers feel supported, the clients reap all the benefits.